Hello all. Let me today go through the Spring Boot first application. So how we can develop our Spring Boot first application. So I am using Eclipse IDE and Maven dependency. So the Eclipse IDE version what I am using is 2021-09. You can refer anyone as per your convenience, and you can download it from the official site. So let me create my workspace. So I am creating my workspace as E project Spring Boot. So this is my workspace for this Spring Boot project. So let me launch this. So I will go through this Spring Initializer applications tool, which is the special official Spring Initializer tool. So it will create a project for our help. So if you visit this start.spring.io, so this will generate your Spring Boot project. So here we need to add some details as per our requirement. So in between, let me open the Eclipse IDs. So once it will be open, yes. So it has been opened here. So you will see most probably the welcome screen in your IDs. So let's close this welcome screen. And this is the Explorer, Project Explorer. So once you will create the any project, it will come up here. And this is the Spring dashboard. So let it be closed this one. So I'm going to first demonstrate by using this initializer tool. So then I will go ahead with the manual creation of the Spring Boot project using the Eclipse IDE itself. So here I am selecting the project. I am currently using this Maven and the language is Java. And the version I am selecting Spring Boot version as 276. You can select any one of these, not an issue. And dependency here, I'm not going to add any dependency for now because this is our first application. So I'm not adding any dependency. So dependency is basically the fundamental aspect of the Spring framework through which a Spring container injects any objects into the another objects. So this is basically using to using to any components, whatever the components we are going to use within our application, it will add through this dependency to basically to achieve the loose coupling. So more details for the loose coupling and cohesion and all, I will create one more video so that you can go through that. So let it begin here. So project metadata. So the group is something like this is basically the unique base name for the company or the creator or the group. Means whoever is going to create this project. So basically it will be company name dot commercial, like if you are going to the any website like some example.com, so it will be reverse order. So the com dot java, so my is java talent, correct? So the com dot java talent, this is my group name. And artifact is the details. This is unique for the project. Whatever the project I am going to create, this will be the unique name. So this is our first example. So I am taking it as Spring Boot first example. This will be the name of our project, whatever we are going to create. And this is the name, as it is suggesting this is the name. So this is our first project for the Spring Boot. So Spring Boot first example. So as this is the description, whatever the description you want to add here, you can add it. So this will be the base package. Whatever the package you are going to create, this will be the base package. So I'm going to use com.java talent. And here there is the two types, jar and var. So Spring can be utilized in the both way, jar or var applications, and we can import. So for now, I am going to use jar, and I'm going to choose this Java version as 11 because in my system already 11 version is there installed and I have already set the environment variable and all. So for that reason, I'm going to select the Java 11 and click on the generate. So it will generate your Spring Boot application for your help. So it has been generated here. So let me go there. So this is the generated project. So I need to extract it. So let me extract here. In this location, I'm going to extract only. And I will going to use this project in our session today. So if you see here, there is a lots of directory has been generated automatically. So we are not going to do anything. And let it be open this my IDs. So here I'm going to use to create the Spring Starter project. So I'm not going to create from here from this IDE. I'm going to use that generated auto-generated application. So let me go there. So for that, I will need to import our project. There is a two-way import and export. So I need to import, and actually that is the Maven project. So I need to select Maven existing project and then hit next. Here I need to select the root directory. So it has been generated in this download folder. So this is our downloaded one. So if you select this folder, so your selected projects will be pop up here with this version and ID and all. So hit on finish. It will import your project into your working directory. So as you are able to see, our project has been imported here in our IDE. So let it be importing the project right now. Fine. So here, if you see, this is the our base package com.java talent, whatever the package we have created. And then if you are seeing this Java version, so you are able to find JRE and all details. Whatever the jar it has been automatically imported, it will come up here. And it is saying that Java is the 11. That's why that means we are using the Java 11 version. So let me open this pom.xml file. So what is the pom.xml file? So pom basically stand for project object model. So this is the file. It contains the information of the project, whatever the configuration information and all, whatever the Maven we are going to use, for which details it is going to be used, and whatever the build of the project, such as like whatever the dependency, build directly, and plugin goals, what are the all the details we are going to use, that will populate in this file. So let me increase the font. To increase the font, you will need to go to this window preferences and just select font and just type the font to search, and otherwise you can go directly general appearance and font and colors and basic. Here text font, select and edit. Let me increase the sum font to make it as 14. So it will increase the font size. So if you are going through this pom.xml file one by one, there is a lots of details, correct? Like if you see whatever the project we are created, parent, group ID, artifact ID, version details, and this is the relatively part. And whatever the group ID we have given, artifact details, version name, name of the project, description of the project, and this is the Java version, it will come under this properties tag, and it will populate one automatically dependency, Spring Boot starter, because we are using this Spring Boot application, so it will change and automatically inject the dependency. So it will come up from here, and this dependency is for the test classes, test purpose. And this is the plugin, automatically build plugin will be there. So this is our pom.xml. So let me open this main class. So whatever the project you are selected, whatever the project name you have given, like Spring Boot for example, with the same name, it will create our main class. So here Spring Boot application annotation is there. So this annotation is the combination of this multiple details. If you go there, so Spring Boot applications is the combinations for multiple annotations. I will cover that in the next lecture, where I will going to demonstrate all the annotations. I will capture there. So basically here one line I can say that this is the combinations for component scan class. That means the component scan. And if you see here, there is the multiple details. Enable auto configurations. These are the combinations for these annotations. So this is my first application. So how we can run these applications? So simply you can just go through this run window from the top menu bar and you can select run as. So you can run like run our Java application or Spring Boot applications because we have not added the server details and all. And this is just the standalone applications we have created as a jar. So you can run Java application or Spring Boot application anyway. Or otherwise, if you right click on this main application and go to this run as, then also the same option will be arises. And you can use this shortcut as well. So I am using this Java applications to run these applications. Let it be run. So there is nothing. It will run our applications. So I just wanted to show you the output. So let it be like if you see, this is the Spring brand logo. You can customize it. I will go through that one in one of the video. I will create one video for this banner. You can customize banner as per your requirement. And the version Spring Boot version, whatever the version we are using, we have selected this 2.7.6 in our Spring initializr tool, correct? So this is coming here. And moreover, if you are going there now, if you are able to see this one, started Spring Boot first application in 7.6 and Javier is running on it one. This one. That means our first application is up and running. So yeah, this is the first application what I wanted to show you guys. So okay, yeah, this is what for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share my channel so that everyone can able to understand the concept through me. Thanks.